Hey friend, I'm back. And of course, I'm back at it again with another wig video. This unit is from Jurllyshe. She's 24 inches, a 13 by 4 lace front, highlight water wave wig, and she is 150% density. And she came with all of these goodies. It was like earrings, lashes, a comb, a wig cap, all of that jazz. So as you can see, the hairline on her is off the chain. I plucked her, but not that much. So she really kind of came already in order. She did come also with the color in it too, so you don't have to worry about, dyeing the hair and damaging it. It comes like this, and it was so cute, and it was different also. I'm just installing the wig how I usually do, so I'm going to take my crusty Got To Be gel, and I'm going to put that on my hairline, well, right above it. Just put it all over the hairline, and I'm also going, once I'm done, going to spray the hairline down with some freeze spray. This helps with crustiness. If you do use the gel, sometimes if you use too much, it gets crusty. So I kind of like to use the freeze spray to let it melt in and that lace blend in seamlessly with my scalp. Since we are doing the puff balls at the top, I always emphasize and stress that if you are going to do baby hairs, you need to part those out before you begin to slick any type of ponytail or anything. Because once the ponytail is in, it's going to be nearly impossible to get those baby hairs out. So make sure you part those out and start to slick your ponytail. I would suggest putting a scarf on your hairline just to make sure that the wig doesn't begin to lift. Someone please remind me to go get me a razor comb because I hate cutting my baby hairs with scissors, let alone kitchen scissors, sis, because that's exactly what those were. But I don't have a razor comb. I just feel like the razor comb cuts it a lot more naturally, and it's not as harsh of a straight across line, and it just lays a lot better. Even though I finessed it, I do like using a razor comb. So please, girl, get me in check. Once I got my little ponytail, my one ponytail slicked, I tried to just twist the hair around by itself and make it full and fluffy, but it was still a little damp. So after I tried the scrunchie method, because I do like to use scrunchies, and it did end up using the scrunchie, but the hair was still too wet that I needed to blow dry it to get the fullness. So after I did blow dry it and it was about 90% dry, I went back in with my scrunchie and I use this to basically stuff the bun so that it's a lot bigger and fuller, and you'll see it here. As you can see, you can't see the scrunchie at all because it's really just to help shape the bun. And that is a trick of mine that I do even in my real hair, is I like to use scrunchies that's either black or brown, something that's naturally colored and easy for me to hide. So yeah, just watch closely so you can see exactly how I do this. After you've done your scrunchie method, you want to be sure to secure your buns with an extra either rubber band or ponytail holder just to make sure that they're gonna last. These lasted for so long, and I wasn't even babying the buns. I was sleeping without a scarf and everything, and they still stayed intact and didn't lose their shape. And just like that, you have this cute everyday little style for this water wave highlight wig. It's so bomb. And as you can see, this lace is melted to a T. Love it. So if you wanted to try this wig out, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Jurllyshe for working with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.